You want to know what? You want to know what? You're going to be in contempt and you're going to go. You are not even a named party on this case. You might want to go out there and sit down. Go out there and sit down.
No.
Now.
No problem.
Now, go.
Just
go. One more word and you're out of here. One more word. Come on. Yes, come on. You're over here, right here. Just right there.
Over here.
Yeah, right there. All right, this is a termination of tenancy case, and folks, what's going on?
We moved her in because she was getting evicted from her other residence. Her husband moved down on her. And we allowed her to move in without no lot rent, no fees. And she come out one morning and started taking pictures of me, implied that I was stalking her. I feel uncomfortable with her being there.
Okay. All right. What's the relationship between the parties? Any?
Did you notice that? The judge cuts it off immediately. Contempt warnings straight from the start. A single wrong word in court.
She's the daughter or friend of my wife.
That's why we allowed her.
Hold on a second. Okay, so who are you?
I'm his wife. I'm also on lease. That's why we allowed her to move in. We're trying to help her out. She's been there 3 months.
Okay, hold on. Just
physical altercation.
all right. So still trying to figure
It's
this
just
out.
a bad situation all the way around.
Okay, that's not what I was going to ask. Who is she related to?
She's my daughter.
Thank you. That's a simple answer I was looking for. All right. So your daughter moved in because you got evicted from your other residence. Is that correct, ma'am?
That's not correct.
Okay. So what happened?
I was living at another residence with my husband at the time, and he was abusive with me, so I had to separate from him, and then he left the house. He was being evicted. I wasn't on a lease at all.
Got it.
I was put on there, and then they allowed me to come with them and stay for, I said it was just temporary. I just needed like a little temporary. I wasn't going to be there forever. I just needed to figure out
What you were going to do?
yeah, because what I was going to do got messed up, like with everything. And
Okay. And
he has been very inappropriate, the way he acts around me. I can't even take a shower in that house. I can't do laundry. I always have to have my phone because I don't feel comfortable.
okay.
And then she called the cops on me after that and said, "You're not locking my husband up, B word." I
Okay.
got that on recording
Okay.
that day.
All right.
Here's the catch. She's not even listed on the lease. That fact turns the whole case around because legally her standing is...
So, but you don't have a lease there, correct?
No, I don't. I don't want to stay there either.
Okay.
You know that.
So ma'am, so when are you going to leave?
As soon as I can. I was thinking the first is probably the soonest I can.
Did you bring a lot of property with you?
I have a bunch of it in storage, and I have a bunch in that room in that house. And I have a dog and a cat, and they know that. It's really hard to find like a room to rent with pets. And,
Okay, I gotcha. So when do you folks want her out? Okay, that's not happening.
Yeah.
What's a reasonable time for her to get out of the premise from your perspective?
7 days.
Okay, by law, she at least gets time.
Okay, she get 10.
What's the attitude with this? I mean, you guys moved her in. You realize the circumstance, at least she's saying that she was in, and you got to give her time to move out. You let her move her stuff in.
We did, but we wasn't expecting for her to start calling me a stalker and all that. I feel uncomfortable with her in my house now.
What would be a reasonable period in your mind for her to move?
10 days.
Okay, you guys can maybe sit there and think about what you're doing. Whether you like family or not, you got to deal with it that way. You let her move in. So think about a reasonable time for her to get out. You've had to go through this. I don't want to hear from you right now. because I'm gonna get up and leave this bench because I'm not happy with any of you.
Are you speaking?
What did I just say?
This one?
What did I just say?
Clerk's gonna stand in recess.
All right. You want you to speak?
You wanna know what? You wanna know what? You're gonna be in contempt and you're gonna go. You are not even a named party on this case. You might wanna go out there and sit down. Go out there and sit down.
No.
Now,
No, Brown.
now, go.
But you're getting up.
Just go. One more word and you're out of here. One more word.
It's your jacket. Right? No problem, ma'am. Hey, don't, you go, okay?